Watch complete video and subscribe my channel.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Elite Auto Reviews. And today, we are talking about the most savage, the most brutal, the most untamed machine Ford has ever unleashed on American soil, the 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor R. Picture this. You are standing in the middle of the Arizona desert. The sun is setting behind those massive red dunes. The heat is rising off the sand. And then, out of nowhere, you hear it. That thunderous supercharged V8 roar getting louder and louder. And suddenly, this absolute beast of a truck explodes over a sand dune. All four tires completely off the ground, a massive wall of dust swallowing everything behind it. This is not a dream sequence from an action movie, my friends. This is real life. This is the 2026 Ford Raptor R doing exactly what it was born to do. Ford did not build this truck for your daily grocery run or your weekend car wash. They built this machine for the wild, for the desert, for the driver who looks at a massive sand dune and thinks, yeah, I am going over that. Under that power dome hood sits a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, pumping out a jaw-dropping 720 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque, launching this 6,000-pound beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. America, Ford just rewrote the rulebook on what a performance truck can truly be, and Elite Auto Reviews is here to break down every single detail for you. Stay locked in because this ride is just getting started. What is up, everybody? You are watching Elite Auto Reviews, and tonight we are stepping into a whole different world with the 2026 Ford Raptor R. Because this truck does not just own the desert, it absolutely commands the city streets after dark, too. Imagine rolling through downtown Los Angeles or the streets of Miami at midnight. The rain-soaked asphalt reflecting every neon light around you. Red, blue, purple, all of it shimmering beneath those massive 37-inch BF Goodrich tires. And then you see it, the 2026 Raptor R pulling up slow, headlights cutting through the fog like two angry eyes staring down everything in its path. The front grille on this truck is so aggressive, so intimidating, that people literally stop and stare. And they should, because what you are looking at is 720 supercharged horses sitting right behind that hood, ready to be unleashed at a moment's notice. Ford gave this truck an active exhaust system that lets you switch from a quiet, civilized rumble all the way to a full, thunderous roar with just the tap of a button. Because sometimes you want the city to know you have arrived, and sometimes you want to sneak up on them first. The wet streets, the city lights, the glowing grille, the smoke curling up from behind those rear tires, this is not just a truck. This is a statement. This is a lifestyle. This is what American automotive engineering looks like when it decides to go absolutely all out. Elite Auto Reviews brings you the best, and tonight, the best has a name: Raptor R. Welcome back to Elite Auto Reviews, the channel where we do not just talk about cars and trucks. We go deep, we go technical, we pull back the curtain and show you exactly what makes these machines tick. And today, that curtain is the power dome hood of the 2026 Ford Raptor R. Pop that hood open, and what you are looking at is not just an engine. It is a masterpiece of American engineering, a 5.2-liter supercharged Predator V8, the very same bloodline as the legendary Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, but retuned, recalibrated, and rebuilt specifically for off-road domination and desert warfare. 720 horsepower, 640 pound-feet of torque. Let those numbers sit with you for a second, because in a truck that weighs over 6,000 pounds, those numbers mean this machine accelerates faster than most sports cars on the market today. The chrome and carbon fiber details inside that engine bay are not just for show. Every single component has been engineered with a purpose, built to withstand extreme heat, extreme vibration, and extreme terrain without missing a single beat. Ford paired this monster engine with a specially calibrated 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts faster than you can blink, sending all that power through a four-wheel drive system designed for both pavement precision and off-road brutality. This is what 720 horsepower looks like up close, America, and Elite Auto Reviews is giving you the front row seat to one of the greatest engines ever dropped into a production pickup truck.
Hey, welcome back to Elite Auto Reviews. And right now, we are taking the 2026 Ford Raptor R, somewhere that most trucks would absolutely refuse to go. Deep into the red rock trails of Moab, Utah, one of the most technically demanding off-road environments on the entire planet. Those massive canyon walls rising hundreds of feet on either side, the trail barely wider than the truck itself, loose gravel and jagged rock underneath every tire. And yet, the Raptor R just keeps climbing, steady, controlled, and completely confident, because Ford engineered this machine specifically for moments exactly like this. Those 37-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires are gripping every crack and crevice in that red sandstone with authority, while the 5-link rear suspension with coil springs and Fox Racing live valve shocks are working overtime to keep all four corners planted and balanced on terrain that would snap a lesser truck in half. Ford also gave the Raptor R a dedicated rock crawl drive mode that dials in everything automatically: throttle sensitivity, transmission behavior, four-wheel drive engagement, so you can focus entirely on reading the trail ahead instead of managing a dozen different settings. Trail Turn Assist tightens your turning radius in tight canyon switchbacks, and Trail Control acts like cruise control for rock crawling, letting you navigate technical sections without constantly modulating the throttle. This truck is not just off-road capable, it is off-road intelligent, and Elite Auto Reviews is showing you exactly why the 2026 Raptor R is in a class completely by itself.
What is going on, everybody? Elite Auto Reviews is back, and we are doing something that every true American truck lover has dreamed about. We are pointing the 2026 Ford Raptor R straight down an open highway, planting the throttle into the floor and letting all 720 supercharged horses do exactly what they were born to do. The rear tires break loose instantly, thick white smoke pouring off those 37-inch BF Goodrich rubber mountains as the Raptor R claws for traction on the asphalt, the exhaust note rising to an absolute screaming crescendo that you can feel vibrating in your chest from 100 yards away. 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds. In a truck that weighs 6,000 pounds. And America, let that sink in for just a moment, because that's faster than a Porsche 911 Carrera, faster than a Corvette C6, faster than cars that cost twice as much and do a fraction of the work. Behind you, a giant American flag is rippling in the wind against a sky that looks like it was painted in red, orange, and gold. And for a moment, everything feels exactly right. Because this is America. This is Ford. This is the kind of raw, unfiltered V8-powered freedom that no other country on Earth builds into its trucks. The 2026 Ford Raptor R is not just a performance number or a spec sheet achievement. It is a feeling. It is an experience. It is a memory you carry with you forever. And Elite Auto Reviews is here to make sure you never miss a moment of it.
Welcome to Elite Auto Reviews. The cockpit of the 2026 Raptor R features these stunning Recaro seats and the vibrant Sync 4 display.
Welcome back to Elite Auto Reviews. Today we're putting the 2026 Raptor R through its paces in the breathtaking Colorado Rockies.
Charging through the mud, this is the 2026 Ford Raptor R, untamed power, exclusively from Elite Auto Reviews.
You are watching Elite Auto Reviews, and today we are celebrating something truly special, the perfect marriage of American engineering excellence and American spirit. Standing right here on an open plains highway with nothing but wide open sky in every direction, and a giant American flag catching the wind behind the most powerful factory-built pickup truck Ford has ever put its name on. The 2026 Ford Raptor R is not just a truck, it is a symbol. It represents everything that American manufacturing stands for when it is operating at the absolute peak of its potential. Boldness, innovation, raw power, and an unshakable refusal to settle for anything less than the best. 720 horsepower built right here, engineered right here, tested right here on American roads and American terrain by American hands. The Raptor R starts at $113,525 and worth every single penny. Because what you are buying is not just a vehicle. You are buying a legacy. You are buying a piece of American automotive history. You are buying the truck that looked at every competitor on the market and said, "We are in a different league entirely." From the deserts of Nevada to the mountains of Wyoming, from the swamps of Louisiana to the open plains of Kansas, this truck was built for this land, built for this country, built for the American driver who demands the absolute best and will accept nothing less. Elite Auto Reviews salutes the 2026 Ford Raptor R, the wildest, the baddest, the most American truck ever made.
Welcome to Elite Auto Reviews, and this is the moment every truck enthusiast in America has been waiting for. The 2026 Ford Raptor R lined up side by side against the Ram 1500 TRX, two absolute titans of the American performance truck world. Two supercharged V8 monsters staring each other down on a drag strip with smoke rising between them and absolutely everything on the line. On the right, you have the TRX, 702 horsepower Hellcat engine, Ram's answer to Ford's off-road crown, a serious machine that has earned serious respect in the truck community. But on the left, you have the 2026 Ford Raptor R, 720 horsepower, Shelby-derived Predator V8, Fox Racing live valve suspension, 37-inch tires, 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds, and an aluminum body that keeps the weight down while the power stays sky-high. The numbers alone tell you the Raptor R has the edge, but numbers only tell part of the story, because what truly separates these two trucks is the engineering philosophy behind them. Ford built the Raptor R lighter, smarter, and more balanced, optimized not just for straight-line speed, but for high-speed desert running, technical trail crawling, and real-world off-road performance that the TRX simply cannot match at the same level. The Raptor R does not just win the horsepower war, it wins the whole battle. Elite Auto Reviews has done the research, run the numbers, and driven both trucks, and the verdict is clear. In 2026, the Ford Raptor R is the undisputed king of the American performance truck segment, and it is not particularly close.